always told that justice has to be human, from judgment to accountability. So what happens when a court system, not Silicon Valley, decides to bring AI directly into how cases are read, reviewed, and understood? That just happened in Singapore. And if this works, it might not just change how the courtroom works, but rather how we define fairness in the age of AI. Hey everyone, I'm Romina, your AI bestie, and this is AI Insider, the show where we skip the hype and talk about the actual power moves shaping the AI era. So let's get into it. Singapore is now piloting Justice AI, an AI-assisted legal analysis system that helps judges review documents, identify relevant precedents, and understand case patterns faster. It does not decide outcomes, not replace human judgment, just remains the final decision maker. By accelerating the path to insight, this AI system is developed inside the legal institution, not by a private lab. The data, the training, the guardrails, the accountability, all of it sits within the public system. By being developed as part of the infrastructure of justice, this one makes it one of the first real examples of AI shifting from product convenience to civic function. And when AI starts participating in institutions that determine truth, like courts, we begin to see something bigger. AI isn't just processing information, it's shaping what we trust. This brings us to our second story, where Kim Kardashian just called out ChatGPT and how it allegedly caused her to fail a recent law test. In her words, "I use it for legal advice. So when I need to know the answer to a question, I'll take a picture and snap it and put it in there. They are always wrong, and it has made me fail tests all the time." While it sounds hilarious on the surface, it actually underscores a serious gap. Most people are still using AI without the right context, structure, or safeguards. Out-of-the-box models are trained to sound confident, not necessarily to be correct for your specific use case, jurisdiction, or curriculum. Without strong prompts and inputs, verified sources, and proper tuning around the user's domain, AI can, and often will, generate misinformation packaged in a tone of authority. That's not a Kim problem. It is the predictable outcome of generic tools used for specialized decisions. The solution is not to abandon AI, but to pair it with better practices, constrained contexts, transparent sourcing, domain-tuned models, and workflows designed to flag or reduce hallucinations instead of amplifying them. This week in AI, China continues to dominate the news. At a recent industry forum, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang stated that China could take the lead in AI not because of software innovation, but because of hardware scale. And this is the part most people overlook. AI progress isn't limited by ideas, it's limited by computers. Chips, data centers, energy, distribution. The country that controls the hardware pipeline controls the speed of the AI timeline. To compete, US companies need to focus on attracting and retaining top talent in AI to compete globally, emphasizing education and research development. So here's where we are this week. Courts are beginning to use AI to strengthen, not replace, judgment. Artificial intelligence-generated misinformation is becoming narrative influence, not just rumor. AI isn't just evolving, it's structuring the next era of institutions, creativity, and geopolitics. I'm Romina, and this is AI Insider. If this helped you see where things are really heading, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next week.